I told you I was gonna give you ramen. What do you guys think? Does it look good? Give it a thumbs up. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, so welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you guys one of my favorite recipes. It is getting colder here in LA, and I'm sure wherever you are, it's getting colder, a lot more chilly, so I'm craving something that is brothy, and something that is my go-to recipe is my ramen recipe, and I thought I would share it with you guys. Right here, I already have my ramen. You can find ramen at your local store, wherever you can find it. You can buy it organic, you can swap out for anything that you want. So, in here I have some vegetable broth. I'm going to start this actually here. A bit of coconut oil. You can use whatever oil you want. Some ginger and garlic, which are my favorite combinations. The really goal is to get a really nice broth, something that's flavorful. Here are some tips and tricks. So add in, I have some garlic and ginger here. Sizzle. Ooh, that sounds amazing. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. And a little bit of mirin. Mirin is like a cooking alcohol that we use in Japan. So flavorful. I'm gonna also add in some stock. So I have some scallion stocks that I left over from cutting up all the greens. This is so flavorful, so important for adding flavor to your soups and broths. Also, I have some mushrooms, and these, I'm gonna add this into my soup as well. Let that sit for a little bit. And I also have a skillet right here where I'm gonna be cooking some pork. I have some thin sliced boneless pork that I'm gonna be savoring. I'm gonna show you guys how to maximize the flavor and put it into the oven so that it's prepared and it's ready. All right, I hear it sizzling, it's smelling good. Adding our broth in. Let this cook and let it marinate and get as much flavor as possible. Use any flavored oil. And I have it seasoned just with a little bit of salt and pepper. That's all you need for now. It's getting nice and hot here. I'm gonna put this in. Get a nice sizzle and nice brown. Also have some garnishes. So some mushrooms I cut up earlier. I also have some broccoli slaw and carrots and some purple cabbage. I think it's just a nice little touch. And I'm gonna saute purple cabbage on here, a little bit of slaw. We also have some hard-boiled eggs that I cooked earlier. I find 5 minutes is perfect for that yolkiness if you don't want it overcooked. I don't like a overcooked boiled egg. We're gonna let that finish off, and I'm gonna wrap it up, pop it in there while this is cooking. Our broth is just working its magic. All right, the slaw is ready. It's kind of translucent. That's kind of when you can tell it's perfect. All right, this looks amazing. It's good. We're gonna wrap this baby up, and it's gonna keep the moisture of the pork yummy, so then when we're ready to top it off, we'll top this baby off. Like a little package gift. Pop it into the oven, leave it on low. That are all sauteed, and then I also have some kimchi here. Yum 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 kimchi, and some scallions and some sesame seeds. Here's a bowl. I think it's gonna be really pretty. Here is our broth. Ooh, look at all that yumminess. It's cooking. It's got that yummy scallions in there. Has the mushrooms. Add in that ramen. I'm gonna top everything. Look how moist and tender that looks. And it smells ridiculous. Makes it look boom, boom. Some scallions. Sesame seeds. Woo! Here's our final finished product. I told you I was gonna give you ramen. What do you guys think? Does it look good? Give it a thumbs up. If you guys are gonna try this recipe, let me know how you like it. Nom nom nom! All right. Oh my gosh, I feel so blessed. Look how big this bowl of ramen is. Yes, one size portion. This is how much I eat. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. This is so good.